This way. Ethan,
Hi, Ethan.
look at
See
Grandma.
the doggy? Yeah, look at Grandma.
Yeah, see this doggy? Achoo!
Oh,
Bless you.
achoo! Yeah, Ethan he's a little sick.
Say
He got a little
hi.
cold.
Okay, say hi. Hi. Huh? Yeah. Yeah. Huh? Did you sleep? Huh? Did you wake up, Mommy?
Yeah, somebody was up from 1 a.m. to 4 a.m.
And eventually he make a loud noise.
Yeah, because that's when I went to use the restroom
Oh.
and turned the heater on.
Oh.
And he thought I was leaving or something.
Oh. Ethan, hope you feel better today.
What's that? That's from your food grinder. Shake, shake, shake. Hey, little Ethan. Oh, I'll pick it up. Oh, hey. Hey.